Hello everyone, welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be making some wild honeysuckle cold process soap. I've got everything in the bucket ready to be blended. I'm going to be making the big block today. I'm going to go ahead and get my oils and everything blended up. Now I've got my kale and clay and everything in here. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut milk, just a little bit to it, and I'm going to get everything blended up. I'm blending the kale and clay in right now. I'm going to go ahead and blend my coconut milk in. This is going to make 18-pound batch. All of my oils are blended well. So what I'm doing next is I'm going to add in my lye water solution. Now, with this soap that I'm making today, it's a honeysuckle. So honeysuckle will moderately speed up trace. It will moderately make the soap move faster into developing soap. So I'm going to soak at a lower temperature. I'm hoping that that will help a little bit. Maybe today I won't speed up the video as much as I do on some of the videos that I make. Okay, so the very last thing I'm going to do today is add my fragrance. And the reason for that being is that I want to put it in very last because, like I said, the honeysuckle, it really does speed up trace like tremendously. Okay, today I'm going to be doing a few colors, but I'm going to have to work quickly because, like I said, we have making a mess here. Okay, y'all, I'm bringing you back when I've got all of my colors in. I kind of skipped through that part because I didn't want y'all to get bored on me. I'm going to add in all my colors. This is going to be Yellow Vibrance and Lemon Drop that I'm adding to my base color. And I just wanted it to be a very light yellow there. Okay, and then this is orange. Electric Orange Mica from Nurture. Lime Appeal is also from Nurture. I'm going to do it in a small amount. I don't have a lot of that green going in. Some Neon Yellow Pigment, and that's also from Nurture Soap. Most of my colors come from Nurture, I do get a couple from TKB and a couple from a few colors from Rustic Essentials. Alright, so there's my... Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get all these mixed up, and I don't know if all these is going to fit in the frame or not. We shall see. But what I'll do is I'll move them in one at a time, and I'll mix them in. Here we go. Okay, I'm fixing to get my mold out and start pouring these up. I'm trying to work quickly because I don't want it to set up too quickly on me. You see that green was kind of a pea green, but it will go back into a beautiful green when it's all set up in the mold and everything. So I'm going to go in with some of my base color. And I love the yellow. This is about the yellow I wanted. Okay. And I'm just going to pour other colors in. And then I'm going to go back with a hanger swirl. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see this. Yeah, I think you can. Hope you got it. Okay, here's my orange. Here's my yellow. This is a different color yellow, so it will show up differently in the bars when they're sliced up. Okay, I'm going to go in with my green, and then I'm going to go in with my white. And it looks like an ugly pea green, like a pea soup. But y'all will see when I slice it at the end of the video, because I'll bring you back and slice it up so y'all get to see. Y'all will see at the end of the video that it actually comes out really pretty. It won't look like that at all. Really don't look pretty right now. Alright, and my white. And actually I have some more base color to put on top. I'm going to pour this really high. And back on the top. And then I'm going to run a hanger through it. I'll go back and I'll scrape all these down so that y'all can see everything blended once everything gets in there. And it'll start to get thick probably while I'm putting the base on. While I'm putting the top on. My hanger swirl that I normally use doesn't fit this mold, so I had to make my own hanger. And I just got some wire. So I'm going to go in and try to get to the bottom of everything. And I'm just swirling through it, okay? And I'm going to go back through there. And I'm trying to hit it at different depths so that it's... I'm going to just do one swipe. And then another swipe. Okay. That's all the swirling that I'm going to do on this. So now I'm going to finish my tops off, clean my mold and my bowls out, and I'll be done until tomorrow, and I'll come back with the slicing video, and y'all can see everything all sliced, because what I do to this soap is I slice it into logs, and then I slice the logs into bars. Glisten and shine on the top. That's all that it does. Okay, and there you have it. So I'll be back in just a little bit and we'll slice this up. Thank y'all for watching. Okay guys, I'm going to show y'all how I slice my logs into when I make a brick of soap. I put it on my log splitter and I run it down, and I have I'm really happy with how the green came out. You know, remember it had this weird color to it. These are a taller bar of soap. Out of that brick I get 4 logs out of it. Okay, I'm going to slice her up and we're going to see how she came out. Sorry for the mess on the table, all the soap smudges and everything. Of course, I'll speed the video up so that y'all don't get bored. I just wanted you to see the inside of our wild honeysuckle soap. flowers. You know, they all came out different. You never know what they're going to look like. I'm really happy with how they came out. I didn't want it too wild, even though it's wild honeysuckle. I think of honeysuckle as mild. So, thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to our channels. Give us a thumbs up. Have a great day.